Hi, my name is Jennifer, and in this video, I'm going to talk all about polynomials. So grab a pencil and some paper and write down some of these notes with me. If you've ever taken an algebra class, you've probably heard the word polynomial. I'm going to explain exactly what this means and what your teacher means when she says or he says the word polynomial. If we break apart this word, this first part, poly, is a prefix that means many or more than one. Nomial is the root word. There's a little debate about the word nomial, exactly what it means, but for this video, we're going to call this terms. Okay, so we're going to define a polynomial as a many-termed expression. Okay, but first, let's talk about what a term means. In algebra, a term is a number, a single number, or a variable, or a combination of both of them. For example, 3x is a term. Another term might be 5. Or we may have a negative 2x squared. And we even could have a fraction, 3/2 x cubed. So each of these individually are called terms. So we have 4 terms in this list. Now, if we were going to build a polynomial is a list of terms, but instead of these commas separating them, an addition or subtraction sign will separate them. So we would have 3x plus 5. In this case, because it's a minus 2x squared, we'll just say minus 2x. And then plus 3/2 x cubed. Now I'm going to spend the next couple minutes talking to you more about polynomials, and we're going to talk about what it means to put this polynomial in descending order. Okay, so here's the polynomial that we built using our terms. Remember, a definition of a polynomial are terms separated by an addition or subtraction sign. Now, algebra has a lot to do with order, and so you may hear the expression, put your polynomial in descending order. Okay? Well, how you put it in descending order is you put it in order according to the highest exponent. You start with the highest exponent, and that will be your first term, and then it will go down from there. In this polynomial, our x cubed is our highest term, so we're going to move that entire term to the front. Okay. Next is our x squared. We're going to take that entire term, including the minus sign, and write that next. Then we'll grab our 3x. And last is our 5, which is also considered a constant because it does not have a variable. So we have taken this polynomial and we have written it in descending order. Okay? So a couple other things that I want to talk to you about. So a couple other things that I want to talk to you about when it comes to polynomials. There's a couple different words that are associated with the word polynomial. The first one is monomial. Notice that the word nomial The root word has stayed the same, but our prefix has changed. Monomial means it is a polynomial that has only one term. So for example, 3x squared is a monomial. Another word you may hear is binomial. Again, our root word, nomial, has stayed the same, and the prefix has now changed. A binomial means a polynomial with two terms. For example, something like x plus 5. Another one is called a trinomial. Again, notice our prefix has changed, our root word stayed the same. In this case, tri is 3, so a trinomial is a polynomial that only has 3 terms. For example, x squared plus 3x plus 6 is considered a trinomial. Now, if you have any other questions about polynomials, contact your professor or stop by the Math Tutoring Lab or watch this video again. Thanks.